Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Dune to automate NFT analytics subscriptions step by step clearly. To get started with automating your NFT analytics subscriptions using Dune, first, ensure that you visit the Dune Analytics website and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Create Query button on the top right corner. Start a new query by selecting the blockchain network of your choice. Utilize SQL to write your query for the NFT data you want to analyze. Test the query to ensure it returns the expected results. Once your query is finalized, click on the Save button to store your work. Now, give your query a meaningful title that reflects its purpose. Next, go to the Dashboard section of your Dune account. Select Create Dashboard to begin setting up your NFT analysis workspace. Add your newly saved query to the dashboard by selecting it from your list of saved queries. Customize the layout and design of your dashboard to suit your preferences. Once you're satisfied with the layout, click on the Share button. Here, you will need to set the privacy settings to allow for subscription access. After configuring your settings, generate a shareable link for your dashboard. To automate your NFT analytics subscriptions, navigate to the Subscription section. Select New Subscription to create a new automated alert. Choose the frequency for your subscription updates. Insert the shareable link for your dashboard in the appropriate field. Complete the subscription form by specifying the desired analytical metrics. You should now receive automated updates on your chosen NFT analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.